So guys, you want to go to Google and then type in download Windows 10. You want to go to the website by Microsoft. It's going to be saying download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. Click on this. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. It's going to be saying create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download now. It's then going to start downloading. Just wait for this to load. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. You want to accept the license terms. Click on accept. Wait for this. Next, you want to select create installation media. So you can either put the Windows installation on a USB flash drive, DVD, or you can make it into an ISO file. And then click on next. I'm going to use these settings right here, Windows 10 64-bit. And then click on next. Now for me, I plugged in a USB flash drive to my computer. So I'm going to select USB flash drive. Choose your option and then click on next. It's detected my drives. Just so you know, the files on your USB flash drive are going to be deleted. To keep these files, you want to back them up. Then you want to click on next. It's then going to start downloading Windows 10 to your USB. It's then going to start creating the Windows 10 media. Just wait for this to load. It's then going to say your USB flash drive is ready. Click on finish. And then it might be saying setup is cleaning up before it closes. So just wait for this to load. For the next step, you want to enter the boot menu. So you want to find out your BIOS name. You want to go to search and type in system information. Click on it. You want to find your BIOS name. For me, it's next to system model. It says B450M DS3H. This is my BIOS name. So now you want to go to Google and you want to type in your motherboard name. For me, it's going to be B450M DS3H. So type in your motherboard name and then put a space and then type in boot menu key and then click on enter. So for me, my boot menu key is F12. You want to find out your boot menu key. The most common ones are F12, F11, escape or F10. So type in your BIOS name and then find out your boot menu key. So now we need to access our boot menu. So just restart your computer and then keep on pressing that key on your keyboard. Just keep pressing it and don't stop. I'm going to keep on pressing on F12 on my keyboard. I'm not going to stop, so I'm pressing on F12 right now. Keep on pressing it. Just keep pressing it till your computer restarts. As your computer is restarting, keep on pressing on the boot menu key. So now I'm in my boot manager. Now once we're here, you want to select your USB drive. The one that you have the Windows 10 setup files on. The boot manager is going to look different for all of us, but you want to find your USB drive that you have the Windows 10 files on. You want to select it. Which should then take us to here. Now once we're here, it's very easy. Just choose your language, click on next, and then click on install now. Wait for this to load. If you have a product key, you can type it in here. If you don't, then select I don't have a product key. Choose your operating system, and then click on next. And then click on I accept, and then click on next. And then select custom, install Windows only advanced. You want to choose a drive that says unallocated space. If you have any other drives that don't say that, then you want to select it and then click on delete. You only want the drive that says unallocated space, select it and then click on next. You want to install Windows on this drive. It's then going to take us into here. Just fill in all these settings. Choose your keyboard layout. You can add a second keyboard if you want to. I'm just going to skip this. This is the very easy part. Just go through all this. You can add a Microsoft account. And then yeah, just continue on with the Windows setup. Very easy. And that's how you do it.